welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to visualize progress in productive app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply visualize progress in productive app using the Gantt charts for project milestones and get various layouts like Kanban, list, or calendar for different perspectives, and also by creating custom reports and dashboards. So you can get different kind of productive apps, and if you have a productive app, then you can simply go and tap it on. So once you're in the productive app itself, you can use like these kind of charts or calendars and help yourself by being more organized and get the results efficiently on time. You can also use these results to visualize your progress and track how much you have completed. The Gantt layout allows you to provide a visual timeline with dependencies, while other layouts allow the filtering and tracking progress in a way that best suits your workflow. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.